Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is assertive sentences. Let me explain what are assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are those sentences in which you give the statement. Assertive sentences उन sentences को कहा जाता है जिनमें आप कोई वजाहत या कोई statement पेश करते हैं. As there are two ways of speech. First one is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. In your direct indirect. Direct speech is when the actual words are quoted and the indirect speech is actual words are transformed. जब आप actual words को transform कर देते हैं, this is called indirect speech. Here is one example. She said to me, I am playing. Here she is reporter, said is reporting verb and I am playing, this is reported speech. It means that जो कुछ भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के अंदर लिखा गया है वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है और जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के बाहर का वर्ब है वो रिपोर्टेड वर्ब कहलाता है और जो उसके बाहर सब्जेक्ट है दैट इज रिपोर्टर. ओके, नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट. As you know that there are three persons, first person, second person and third person. Before changing the direct into indirect, you must have to know what are first person, second person, third person. First person include I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, ours. Second person, you, yours, yours. And third person is he, his, him, her, hers, she, it, him, its. So these are third person. So let me explain. When you are changing the direct speech into indirect speech, you have to change the following changings. First one, first person will be changed according to your reporter or according to your subject. The first person of your inverted commas will be changed according to your reporter or subject. Or second person of your inverted commas will be changed according to your object which is after your reporting verb, or you will change it in I. Or third person will be changed into no change, because if you have third person into inverted commas then there will be no change in your persons. I hope so this thing is clear. Next, before doing the assertive sentences, you must have to memorize this table, because the transformation of the tenses will be according to this table. आप जो भी inverted commas के अंदर means reported speech में जो tense की transformation होगी वो according to this table होगी. अगर आपके sentences में reporting verb is which is outside of the inverted commas. जो inverted commas के बाहर आपका reporting verb है, reporting verb अगर आपका past में है तो आप ये following table यूज़ करते हुए transformation करेंगे. अगर आपके पास जो आपका reporting verb है वो present और future में है then there will be no change or no transformation in reported speech. I hope so this is clear. So this is the table that you have to yaad. That first one is simple present change will be into simple past. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present perfect change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. And likewise past tense simple past change into past perfect. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous change will be no change. It means past perfect will be into past perfect, there will be no change. Past perfect will be into past perfect continuous will be into past perfect continuous. In these both tenses there will be no change. Will shall will be changed according to would, should, or can into could, and may into might. I think so this is quite clear. Next, updated time, specific times. If you have here in your reported speech, then this you have to change into there. If you have tomorrow in your reported speech, this will be changed into the next day. Today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, this, that, now, then, tonight, that night. It means that all of the 1, 2 and 3 these three tables you have to memorize for transformation of your inverted commas. Whatever the speech will be written in your inverted commas or your reported speech, you will change this speech according by using these three tables. Now when you will change the reporting verb, if will be said to, then this will be changed into told. Or if this will be said will be remain same, said. If this will be say to, it means tell. Or if it will be says to, it will be tells. So it means that these are the changings. Now let's do it. The first one is, he said I am ill. You have to change it, he said. And for removing the inverted commas, that is here, for removing the inverted commas, you will put here that. And after that, I is your first person. This will be changed according to your subject or reporter. So this will be he was ill. Answer is, he said that he was ill. Next is, he said to me I am going to school. Here is inverted commas. He said to me. said to will be changed into told. जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम पिछले मैंने बता चुकी हूँ कि said to चेंज होगा told में. said to की जगह पे told लगाएंगे, me की जगह पर me ही आएगा. inverted commas को हटाने के लिए that लगा दिया जाएगा. और यहाँ पर अगेन आपके पास वर्ड है I. So I is first person. First person will be changed according to your reporter or your subject. This will be he. He was going to school. So am is present continuous. So this will be changed into past continuous. And past continuous में आपके जो helping verb है वो was आती है. You can also say is are am can be changed into was were. आपका is are am को was were में change करते हैं. Next we have the another example. Here is, he says I have done my classwork. Now here is says, not said. It means this is present. Your reporting verb is in present. Or I told you, if your reporting verb will be in present or future, there will be no tense transformation in reported speech. अगर आपके पास आपका reporting verb ये वाला प्रेजेंट पे या फ्यूचर में होगा तो आपके इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के अंदर आने वाले टेंस में कोई चेंजिंग्स नहीं की जाएंगी. Now the answer is, he says inverted commas will be removed and that will be put here. He says, this is I, according to change will he. Now he, according to he, you have to write down here has, because he, she and it in singular name you always apply has. So has completed his homework. There is no change of tense. Next, he says to me I'm going to school. Again, he says to me. So says to me here, says to me will be changed into tells me. To will be omitted here. Keep this in mind. If you have to in your reporting verb, please omit this to in indirect speech. So he tells me that he is going to school. I think so this idea is clear. Next we have, teacher said the earth revolves the sun. Now the question is, here is said and said will be changed according to told. But the earth revolves the sun, there is no change in the earth revolves the sun. The answer is, if you have any scientific truth, if you have any universal truth or any habitual thing, अगर आप अपनी कोई आदतन बात या किसी साइंसी तौर पर साइंसी हाइपोथेसिस या साइंसी कानून या फिर कोई आलमगीर सच्चाई को बयान करते हैं अपनी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, then this reported speech sentence will not be transformed. तो इस रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस चेंज नहीं किया जाएगा. I'm again repeating this point कि अगर आपके पास रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट है बट इन्वर्टेड कॉमास या रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है आपकी वो साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ है यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है और एनी हैबिचुअल थिंग या फिर कोई हैबिचुअल चीज़ है तो आप उस वर्ड्स को या उन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को टेंसेस को चेंज नहीं करेंगे. I hope so all of the points I have cleared with you. So now it's time to give you the extra point of this video. स्टार्ट में हमने सबसे ये पढ़ा कि असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस क्या होते हैं. असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस वो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं जो इनमें वजाहत बयान की जाती है, कोई स्टेटमेंट दी जाती है. सेकेंड हमने पढ़ा टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीच. फर्स्ट वन इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड सेकेंड वन इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. डायरेक्ट स्पीच वो स्पीच होती है जिसमें आप बराह रास्त किसी के बोले गए अल्फाज को ऐसे ही इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिख देते हैं, और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में आप उन अल्फाज को अपने अंदाज में बोलते हैं. नाउ इसके 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच के. फर्स्ट वन होता है रिपोर्टर, सेकेंड वर्ब होता है जो कि इन्वर्टेड कॉमास से पहले आता है, दिस इज़ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, और जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के अंदर आता है दिस इज़ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. दीज आर 3 पार्ट्स. उसके बाद हमने इसकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सीखी. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हमने 3 टेबल्स आपको दिए जो आपने याद करने हैं, मेमोराइज करने हैं. Besides of this we have read how to change direct into indirect. तो direct into indirect assertive के चेंज करने का तरीकाकार ये है कि said को चेंज कर दिया. said को said भी रहने दिया जा सकता है और told भी किया जा सकता है, लेकिन अगर said के बाद to है तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप said को told करें. इसके अलावा अगर आपके पास says है तो says को टेल्स भी कर सकते हैं और सेज भी लिखा जा सकता है. इसके अलावा जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमास है उनको हटाने के लिए आप दैट का अप्लाई करते हैं और दैट के बाद में आने वाले फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन को चेंज करते हैं, और जो रिमेनिंग चेंजिंग्स हैं टेंसेस की दिस विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टाइम टेबल दैट इज गिवन in this video. I hope so each and everything is clear. If any question you can ask.